Every smooth highway you drive on is the result of colossal machines transforming rough terrain into enduring roads. Today, we explore the top 10 colossal road building machines, highlighting their specifications, applications, and capabilities that make modern road construction possible. The Liebherr T284 is a true monster in the world of construction vehicles, tipping the scales at 592 tons and carrying payloads of up to 400 tons of soil, rocks, or demolished road surfaces. Powered by a 500 horsepower engine. This dump truck is mainly used to transport massive amounts of material for highway projects, airport runways, and mountain roads. One single load from a T284 can replace an entire convoy of small trucks, making 20 trips, significantly reducing project time and labor requirements. Its immense size and reliability make it the backbone of large-scale infrastructure. Weighing approximately 50 tons and equipped with an ultra-wide blade capable of pushing tens of tons of soil at once. The John Deere 1050 P-Tier is a self-driving bulldozer that prepares surfaces for road construction with incredible precision. Integrated GPS technology allows the blade to maintain accuracy within 1 to 2 centimeters, automatically adjusting thousands of times per minute to create perfectly flat surfaces. This level of automation reduces human error, accelerates construction, and ensures that the groundwork for every road is flawless. The Komatsu GD955-7 weighs roughly 47 tons and features a 16 to 18-foot long grading blade. It is designed to create perfectly leveled road surfaces with precise slopes and elevations, heavier than its predecessors. This motor grader delivers superior downward pressure, cutting through compacted soil and creating straight, uniform road beds that serve as the foundation for asphalt or concrete paving. Its precision is so exact that it can maintain alignment to within millimeters over long stretches, making it indispensable for highways and large civil projects. The Volvo EC750E is a versatile excavator weighing 75 tons, capable of exerting a digging force of 350 kN and reaching distances of up to 11 meters, operating at hydraulic pressures exceeding 5. It can handle tasks ranging from foundation excavation, widening road beds, slope embankments, to material handling. The precision of the hydraulics allows operators to perform delicate movements, such as placing heavy objects with the same accuracy as handling small items. The EC750E exemplifies the combination of raw power and fine control necessary for modern road construction. With a paving width of 31 feet 11 inches, approximately 7 meters, and speeds up to 82 feet per minute. The VÖGELE Super 2100-5E produces a smooth, uniform asphalt surface across large projects. Equipped with automated screed adjustment systems, the machine maintains thickness, flatness, and temperature control along the entire width. This ensures consistent quality for long stretches of highway, making it a critical tool for efficient asphalt paving. The precision and output of this paver make large-scale projects feasible within tight schedules. The Wirtgen SP33 uses slipform technology to produce concrete roads with perfect thickness, smooth surfaces, and integrated features such as side curbs and drainage channels. The concrete is poured and formed simultaneously as the machine moves forward, eliminating the need for traditional forms and molds. Its ability to construct continuous, high-quality concrete slabs makes it ideal for highways, airport runways, and other large infrastructure projects where consistency and speed are paramount. The Wirtgen SP34i is a highly versatile concrete paver with adjustable paving widths ranging from 5 meters to 9, 5 meters, and concrete thickness up to 450 millimeters, weighing between 24 and 65 tons, depending on configuration. The SP94i is designed for highways, bridges, and large concrete surfaces. Its integrated control systems allow real-time adjustments to the paving width and thickness, ensuring maximum efficiency and precision in every project. The machine can handle large-scale operations with minimal downtime and excellent surface quality. The Hamm HD Plus 100 Ti is a highly advanced compactor with both vibration and oscillation modes, equipped with a soundproof, vibration-reducing cabin. It ensures asphalt layers are compacted to the exact density required for long-term durability. The dual-mode functionality allows it to handle sensitive areas gently while applying force to harder zones, ensuring consistent compaction across all surfaces. Its intelligent system adapts to different pavement conditions to maintain structural integrity of the road. Weighing approximately 38 tons, the Wirtgen W220 XFi cold planer removes existing asphalt layers with millimeter precision. Its carbide-tipped cutting drums spin at hundreds of revolutions per minute, allowing deep and uniform material removal while recycling 100% of the milled material for reuse. This ensures a perfect bonding surface for new asphalt or concrete layers, making it ideal for road rehabilitation and resurfacing projects on highways and urban roads. The Caterpillar 988K is a heavy-duty wheel loader with an operational weight of around 50 tons and a lifting capacity exceeding 50 tons. Its massive bucket can hold the equivalent of a small car, making it perfect for moving large volumes of material, supplying pavers and mixers, and maintaining continuous operations at major construction sites. This loader ensures that the flow of materials is steady, allowing road construction projects to progress efficiently and safely. These 10 colossal machines combine power, precision, and reliability to create the roads we depend on every day. The next time you drive on a smooth highway, remember the massive effort behind every mile. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to support more deep dives into the incredible engineering behind our world's infrastructure.